Sa program natin, no matter what, because it's the holidays, December 20th, 2015. Kaya, salamat sa pagtangkilik nyo kahit papano, sila Miss J, si Ver, lahat ng mga, si Emmy, at saka si Dennis Pascual ng Chula Vista. Sino pa, I'm going through my mind right now of the folks that we have in the room kasi hindi ako maka-cue in dun sa Facebook ko eh. Ang bagal eh. Pag-click kong ganyan eh, iinom pa ako ng kape, ng tsokolate ko, tapos na, hindi pa nag-umandar yung ano. But those kind of things you have to put up dito sa Pilipinas. Na ang internet eh, wala talaga. Hindi reliable, so it's really hard. Now, the next, I don't know if I can broadcast again. If it's the same situation as the weak signal, siguro ang gagawin ko na lang, I'll just record 1 hour of this and then upload it on my YouTube channel, and then we'll give a link for each and every one of you guys out there. So please bear with me. It's the holidays 2015. Salamat sa pagtangkilik nyo sa ating mga programa ng Radyo Filipino America, DJ Sky on the air, on the road, dito sa Kariton, sa EDSA. Anyway, papatuloy natin before, dahil sa araw ng Pasko, kailangan tayo ay maligaya, di ba? Yeah. So, pagbutihin natin habang nasa holidays.
Sa atin ng Pasko,
naiiba ang pagdiriwang dito.
Pasko sa atin hahanap-hanapin mo.
Walang katulad dito ang Pasko.
Lagi mo na maiisip na sila'y nandito sana,
at sa Noche Buena ay magkakasama. Ang Pasko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na. Sana pagsapit ng Pasko, kayo'y naririto. Kahit pa malayo ka, kahit nasaan ka pa, maligayang bati para sa inyo sa araw ng Pasko.
Siyempre, in behalf of Radio Filipino America, binabati namin lahat ng mga tagapakinig dito sa DJ Sky on the air tuwing linggo-linggo, alas 8 ng umaga hanggang alas 10 ng umaga, Pacific Standard Time.
Ang ngiti sa labi ng bawat isa. Alam naming hindi na nais maglayo. Paskong Pinoy pa rin sa ating puso. Lagi mo na maiisip na sila'y nandito sana, at sa Noche Buena ay magkakasama.
At syempre sa araw ng Pasko, binabati namin kayong lahat dyan sa buong mundo. Kung sama kayong lupalo, on behalf of Radio Filipino America, happy holidays and greetings to everyone. Ayan. I'm gonna quote one more topic here and then I'll do a sign-off music. A very popular one, Pasko na sinta ko. And then I'll do my sign-off music to greet each and every one of you out there sa aking abbreviated broadcast. Ito yung top 10 taxpayers na marami silang inilista pero yung top 10 lang sasabihin ko lang dito. So now they have Jacinto Nang, who is the top 10, number 1 taxpayer sa Pilipinas ngayon. He is the Rebisco, naalala yung Nabisco Biscuits, no? National Biscuits, no? Siyang may-ari nun. He's the founder of that. And he paid 280 million plus, 280 million pesos as for tax. Ang pumapangalawa si Manny Santiago. Si Manny Pacquiao. Si Manny Pacquiao. Manny Santiago yung kumpare ko yun. Si Manny Pacquiao is the number 2 taxpayer. Of course, he is the boxer and the congressman. Approximately 210 million and 305,000 ang binayaran niya for the year 2015. Taxable year 2014 ito as of November 10, 2015. Ang pumapangatlo ay si Vivian Asconia. He is the owner of Mercury Drugs. Makes you interesting. And speaking about drugs, Mercury Drugs, or mga butika for that matter, dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga prescription ng mga pills sa US, you can walk in any counter here and then you can get it. Like yung mga maintenance pills ko. You can walk in there without any prescription and they'll give it to you. Although it's more expensive here, actually. It will cost you arm and leg dito yung mga you can walk in but you will also pay big time. And then the number 4 taxpayer is Jose Alvarez. He's the governor of Palawan and he paid 73 million in taxes. That's about half of the number 3. Biglang nag-drop off 50%. And then the number 5 taxpayer of the Philippines is Jacinto Nang Jr., anak nung number 1, yung Jacinto Nang, yung Rebisco or National Nabisco founder. Ayan. So he is a partner in the Oakwood Premier. So tells you about some of the Oakwood properties out there. He paid almost 67 million pesos naman sa buwis. Ang nasa number 6, ang ating pinaka-favorite na celebrity star, ang actress at TV host na si Chris Aquino. Nagbayad naman siya ng 54, almost 55 million na buwis. Ang pinaka-number 7 is Ronaldo Soliman. Ang kanyang business is property developer. Ayan. Yung mga kinukuha yung mga condo, mga lote, ganyan. So, he paid almost 54 million pesos. Number 8 on the list is William Schultz. He is the owner or CEO of Coca-Cola Bottlers Philippines. Approximately 51 million binayad niya. And then number 9 is Ramon Ang, the CEO of chairman of San Miguel Pork Corporation. With an aggregate 51 million din ang binayad niya. Remember, he briefly take over Philippine Airlines, but then di sila nag-click ni Loshyutan, kaya binay-out ulit si Ramon Ang noon. So he's back with San Miguel Corporation. Sayang noon kasi nag-improve na yung airlines at that time. I used to be with that as a frequent flyer, but I decided to give it up for personal reasons. Yan. Number 10, Lauro Baja III, Who is he? Is an investor with UBS Investment Philippines. Approximately 51 million ang binayad naman niya. Now, one thing interesting I'd like to point out before I do my sign-off is, if you look at the, and they have the follow-on listings, page 8 yata, and they will give you up to about, because they're required by law, I found out, based on by BIR Commissioner Henares, na they are required by law to post yung mga taxpayers. So they had the listing here up to 100. But the interesting thing, if you look at here, is yung mga multi-millionaire and billionaire of Southeast Asia, wala sila sa top 10. Andito sila sa gitna. What that tells you, if you are in the accounting business or if you are in the business yourself, that means magagaling ang mga accountant nila. Magagaling ang mga accountant nila. Kaya, they're not necessarily, they're on the top 10 or top 50 billionaires of Southeast Asia, and yet, pagdating sa bayaran sa taxes, hindi sila nasa top 10. And okay lang yon as long as the accountants are good or maximizing their returns, maximizing their deductions, legitimate deductions, okay lang na gano'n. Ibig sabihin, magaling yung nila, accountants nila. Ganyan. So, yun ang labanan. So, makikita na yun sa top 100 na nilista, somewhere embedded in the middle, yung mga billionaires of Asia, mga C, may pag-aari ng Mega Mall, ganyan. Yung Robinson, ganyan, kikita mo, andun sila, nasa gitna, wala sa top 10 yung mga yan. Ganyan. So, magagaling ang mga accountant nila. But then, like I said, there's nothing wrong with that. Anyway, pagpatuloy natin. Again, December 20th, this is my December 20th edition. I tried to do a live broadcast, but it doesn't seem feasible to be able to do a live broadcast from Pilipinas because of the very, 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 very slow internet. Kaya mahihirapan ka whether you have both SIM cards, wala pa rin. So, I will give it a shot again on December 27 and see what happens. If I can do it, I'll do it. If not, I'll do a delayed broadcast like what I'm doing right now. I'll record this right now. I'm recording it on my video, and then I'll try to upload it tomorrow. Hopefully, at least I have something in there for the Radio Filipino America. Again, salamat po dyan sa mga dyan sa room. Si Brad Edwin, si Insan LB, si Chula Vista Emmy and Dennis Pascual, si Sister Melly, Namira Mesa, si Ori Antonio ng Yanbo at mga tropang Samsung Engineering, si Aurelio Gasman ng Saudi Arabia, yung mga regular natin dyan, si Ate Flor, si Miss J, saka si Ver, sino pa yung mga dyan na nakikinig, si Mel ng Paris, very regular din, si Minda Marquez ng Vegan City, si Candid Cari ng Quezon City, mga regular listeners natin yung mga yan, kuminsan si Becky de la Vega also tunes in. So Sacramento, I covered that. Sa Ilocos, si Vegan. Like I said, I do apologize if I missed the name. Si Vicky ng Simi Valley, by the way, also. So yung mga regulars natin na nakikinig parati dyan, salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik sa aking programa on DJ Sky in the Air. And this is an abbreviated broadcast because I don't have the luxury of the internet like I used to. And look at, I tried to queue my broadcast, trying to lock in on the server in National City. I could not do it. I tried it like 20 times, 25 times. And I had to cycle, reboot just to make sure I'm not messing it up. But it's still going back to the same thing. But anyway, salamat po at sa pagtangkilik nyo. Ito ang aking last parting shot sa ating mga balikbayan OFWs. Pasko na, sinta ko na naman, di ba? Mr. Freddy Aguilar, Pasko na, sinta ko.
Pasko na, sinta ko. Anak kita. Bakit nagtatampo? Minsan po Paano ang Pasko kung ulilan mo? Sayang sinta ang sinupaan at pagtitinginan tunay. Nais mo bang kalimutan mo na ang ating suyuan at dala? Mawawala ka sa piling ko, sinta. Paano ang Pasko? Alay ko sa'yo. Sayang sinta ang sinupaan at pagtitinginan tunay. Nais mo bang kalimutan mo na ang ating suyuan at galak? Sayang sinta ang sinupaan at pagtitinginan tunay. Nais mo bang kalimutan mo na ang ating suyuan at galak? Pasko na, sinta ko. Hanap, hanap kita. Paano ang Pasko? Alay ko sa'yo. Pasko na, sinta ko.
Kayo mo mga caroling.
Ng ilaw ng inyong tahanan,
Napakasaya ang caroling, di ba?
kami ay pagbigyan, huwag sanang
I used to do that a lot with my guitar. We all join in the rest of the kids out there in the neighborhood, and we go from house to house.
Bintana ng inyong bahay,
Kami po yung namamasko.
yan ang awiting aming inaalay. Huwag sanang magagalit, nanay o tatay, sa pagtugon kami maghihintay.
Tao po, mamamasko po. Tao po, mamamasko po. Tao po, mamamasko po. Tao po, mamamasko po. Bigyan nyo naman kahit konting pansin ang aming awiting puno ng lambing. Kahit gitara lang at tamburin, nawa kayo ay pagpalain. Tao po, mamamasko po. 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 Bigyan nyo naman kahit konting pansin ang aming awiting puno ng lambing. kahit gitara lang at tamburin, nawa kayo ay pagpalain. Tao po, mamamasko po, tao po, mamamasko po, tao po, mamamasko po, tao po, mamamasko po. Tao po, mamamasko po, tao po, mamamasko po, tao po, mamamasko po, tao po, mamamasko po. Magbigayan tayo, yan ang diwa ng Pasko. Thank you. Tao po, mamamasko po.
As we end another day of broadcast for December 20th, 2015 edition of DJ Sky on the air with Radio Filipino America. We'd like to thank each and every one of you out there. And I said my parting shots already to most of you. Siyempre, nagpapasalamat ako for Radio Filipino America, Attorney Erwin Bautista, Atilo Bautista, for giving us the opportunity to be able to broadcast and have the chance to make a difference to a lot of issues affecting our OFWs, our balikbayans, our OCWs, our expats, at lahat ng mga ating mga kababayan, lalo na sa election na darating ng 2016. I believe the election is May 2016. Kaya yung sinasabi ko, wala akong pinapanigan yung ni-advocate na kandidato o kandidata. My advocacy is for you, mga Pinoys, to go out there and be able to vote on your own conscience kung sino inaakala niyo makapagbabago o makapagbigay ng kabutihan sa inyong kinabukasan. That is my advocacy. Go out there and vote. And for the holidays, again, as I've said a while ago, salamat sa pagtangkilik nyo sa aking programa. Sana'y kayo magkaroon ng magandang holidays, magandang pagkapaskuhan, mga mahal nyo sa buhay. Para magkaroon kayo ng maraming blessings as you enjoy the rest of your family, the rest of your friends, the rest of your loved ones. That during this holiday, we all of us, hopefully may find time to be able to help out the less fortunate. Find time to volunteer out there. And in behalf of Radio Filipino America and DJ Sky on the air, December 20th, 2015, thanks to all of you out there, Brad Edwin, downtown, Aurelio, Saudi Arabia, Ori, Yanbo, Emmy, and Dennis, Chula Vista, Manang Flor at Chula Vista, Sister Melly, Mira Mesa, yung mga ano natin dyan, si Miss J at saka si Ver, si Vicky, Simi Valley, si LV ng Virginia, si Mel ng Paris, si Minda Marquez, si Candid Cari of Quezon City. Lahat ng mga tagapakinig natin dyan that I may have missed, I do apologize. But it's just making sure I do have my final greetings. And I will try to broadcast December 27 live. If not, I will do a delayed video and just upload it. Para sa ating mga tagapakinig diyan, salamat po sa pagtangkilik nyo sa aking programang DJ Sky on the air. Merry Christmas!
ko po. Buksan ang ilaw ng inyong tahanan. Mga ngarumi lang kami ay pagbigyan. Huwag sanang magalit o kainisan. Pasensya na dahil Pasko naman. Tao po, mamamas ko po. 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 Bigyan nyo naman kahit konting pansin ang aming awiting puno ng lambing. Kahit gitara lang at tamburin, nawa kayo ay pagpalain. Tao po, mamamas ko po. Tao po, mamamas ko po. Tao po, mamamas